Good morning, children. In earlier video, you have read the poem Sea Song. Today we will solve the exercise related to this poem. Here few lines are given, or you can say a small poem is given, which is about silence. In this poem some sounds are given which break silence. जो साइलेंस माने चुप्पी को तोड़ती है. तो एनिमल्स और थिंग्स, और यू कैन से बर्ड्स which are around us and which break the silence around us. Few sounds we listen around us. We are discussing some these types of sounds in this poem. Birds sing, phone ring, people talk, dogs bark, cows moo, cocks crow, bees buzz, and children hush. In this poem, different sounds are given and what we call these sounds. Birds, जैसे हम जनरल बोलते हैं बर्ड्स गाना गाते हैं, बर्ड्स गा रहे हैं, then birds sing. Phones ring. You can listen to different ringtones of a phone, your mobile phones. People talk. We human beings, when we speak, we can say we talk. Humans की, हम इंसानों की या बच्चों की, बड़ों की, आदमियों की जो बातें होती हैं, जो हम बोलते हैं, उन्हें टॉक, उसकी बातों क्या कहा जाता है? टॉकिंग. बात करना है. क्योंकि देखते हैं एनिमल्स और बर्ड्स बात नहीं करते हैं. सिर्फ टॉकिंग किसकी होती है? पीपल की होती है, लोगों की होती है. डॉग्स बार्क. पीपल टॉक एंड डॉग्स बार्क. द साउंड ऑफ dogs are barking or bark. Cows moo and cocks crow. The sound of cocks is crow. And bees buzz. The sound of bees, you can listen the bees, honey bees around us. They are humming just like and this sound is buzz or buzzing. And children hush. When children are speaking or making noise, then we say that shh, keep quiet. Then this sound is hush. When we have to make children stop talking or stop making noise, then we hush. And these are the sounds around us. Then now we will solve the exercise given in this chapter, in this poem. Different, you can see, match the phrases with the pictures. A bird, one is given to you. For example, bird singing, you have to match a bird singing, match the sound with bird. Then cow, where is cow? Cow mooing. Here is cow. Phone ringing, you have to match this with given phone. Dog barking. Then here you can see the dog. Then match this dog barking and a cock crowing. Where is cock? This is cock crowing. Here you can see the solutions. Match the followings and you have to solve this exercise. You have to do this exercise in your copies. Thank you.